Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
In this lesson, we will examine using the simple IOLTA template that you can find within this tutorial's content or open and/or save by clicking the link for the template within the tutorial's interface. This workbook template lets you record the basic accounting information needed for IOLTA management. The template initially contains 4 worksheets, the firm journal, and 3 client name journals. The basic structure within each worksheet is a basic checking register. Within these worksheets, you will record all IOLTA transactions into the appropriate ledgers as they occur. Note that every transaction that occurs within the IOLTA account must be recorded into the Firm Journal worksheet. For each client's transaction, the transaction should be recorded into the Firm Journal as well as the Client Journal for the selected client. Each client for whom you hold funds in the IOLTA account should have their own Client Journal worksheet. You can change the names of the individual Client Name Journal worksheets by double-clicking the Worksheet Name tabs to highlight their titles. Then replace the worksheet labels named Client Name 1, Client Name 2, and so on with the names of your clients. Within each Client Name Journal, then type the client's name into cell A2. Then enter the client's case file or matter number into cell B2. For each IOLTA transaction that involves that particular client, then enter the transaction's type and/or check number into the transaction type/check number column. Enter the date of the transaction into the date column, and then enter a brief description of the transaction into the transaction description column. For deposits made into the IOLTA account, enter the amount under the Debit Cash In column. For amounts spent, enter the amount under the Credit Cash Out column. The account balance column is a formula cell that shows the current account balance for the selected client. Do not edit the contents of this cell. In the future, you can then enter the transactions for that selected client into the Client's Journal worksheet. After entering each transaction's details on the Client Name Journal for the selected client, you must also enter the same information into the Firm Journal worksheet. This journal will record all transactions made for all clients within the firm. Start by entering the name of the law firm into cell A2 if needed. For each transaction, enter the name of the client as shown in cell A2 of the selected client's Client Journal worksheet underneath the Client Name column. Note that you can simply copy and paste the name from the selected client's Client Journal A2 name cell. Then re-enter the transaction data into the same transaction type/check number, date, transaction description, debit cash in, and credit cash out fields. You can also copy and paste these cells from the selected client's Client Journal into the corresponding cells within the Firm Journal worksheet. The account balance cell is a formula cell that shows the total IOLTA balance for all the firm's clients. This is also a formula cell that you should not edit.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.